stand by with Bubble and John Pike. 15. Coming back from the break. In 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And Bubble we're back. And Kick.
It's time to dig deep for both the United States and the Netherlands. A semi-final place will be decided one way or another in the next half an hour or so, maybe even just a quarter of an hour. The Netherlands 2, the United States of America 2 in this quarter-final at the Olympic Games football tournament. All the goals coming in the 90 minutes. Ian Miedema with both of them for the Dutch, Sam Lewis and Lynn Williams for the US. Nika Martins had a penalty. There she is, saved by Alyssa Neyer. And she also had what she considered to be a good goal ruled out for offside in the first period of extra time. It really is a very, very difficult match to call in terms of who are the favourites to go through and claim a semi-final place against Canada on Tuesday.
4-day restart. 3, 2, 1. Cue on fresh restart.
2-2 between the Netherlands and the United States of America then, as we prepare to get the second half of extra time underway.
Yeah.
I remember playing in the third and fourth playoff in the World Cup against Germany. You know, in extra time, and all that's going through your head is we don't want this game to go to penalties. So I'm sure both sets of players here will be thinking along those lines. Can we get, you know, a win in this next 15-minute period? And you know, for the neutral, hopefully one of them do.